Hello everyone! Ever wondered why some cookies have those tiny holes on their surface? Let's dive into the detailed reasons behind these little holes and see how they impact your cookies. Those tiny holes you see on cookies are not just there for decoration, they serve several important purposes. First and foremost, they help prevent bubbling and air pockets. When you bake cookies, the heat from the oven causes the dough to expand and release gases. If the dough isn't given a way to let these gases escape, they can create bubbles or cause the cookie to puff up unevenly. By poking small holes into the cookie dough before baking, you create channels for the steam and gases to escape. This helps ensure that the cookie rises evenly and stays flat, giving it a smooth, uniform surface. These holes also contribute to more even baking. Without holes, the trapped steam can cause the dough to cook unevenly, with some parts overdone while others remain undercooked. The holes allow hot air to circulate more freely around the cookie dough, which promotes an even baking process. This means you get a cookie that is consistently baked throughout, avoiding the issue of having a gooey center or overly crisp edges. In addition to these practical reasons, tiny holes can be a traditional aspect of certain cookie recipes. For example, many shortbread cookies are pricked with a fork or have patterns pressed into them. This practice is not just for looks, it also helps the cookie achieve the proper texture. Shortbread is a delicate cookie that benefits from a bit of surface tension relief, and the holes help achieve that perfect crumbly texture. Sometimes, the holes are also used for decoration or to follow traditional recipes. The pattern of holes can give cookies a distinctive appearance that makes them look more appealing. For instance, in some cultures, specific designs are used to signify special occasions or to add a traditional touch to the cookies. The holes can also help with the uniform cooking of intricate designs, ensuring that the cookies look as good as they taste. So, the next time you spot those little holes on your cookies, you'll know they're doing more than just making the cookies look pretty. They help your cookies bake evenly, prevent unsightly bubbles, and add a touch of tradition or decoration. Thanks for exploring this delicious topic with me. And until next time, happy baking and stay curious about the little details that make our favorite treats just right.